Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make voiceover on TikTok. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the TikTok application, and then after that just add the new content by clicking the plus here. And now we can either direct record, or we can also uploading the content from our gallery. Okay, let's choose a video by clicking the videos, and then choose which video that you want to upload and make a voiceover to. And then after you finish choosing the content, click next. And then please take a look on the features on the right side here, and there will be a small arrow. Just click it, and then after that there will be a voice. Click the voice, and now you can start make a voiceover by click the record button. Okay, let's go, let's try. And then after that, click this record symbol. Today I already arrived at Yogyakarta and I stay on my grandma's home. And after finish, just click done. And let's today I already arrived. Save it. And of that, today I already arrived at you already have and your I stay voiceover like home. This. Okay, so you already have a video with a voiceover of you, and you can create the caption here, and after you finish you can just click post. So that's how the way you make a voiceover on TikTok application. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.